filthy palms, like tiny daggers up to heaven. And all